We've been in this factory for decades, and it's time to let go of some of our older machines. We've already sold a few, and now we're looking to auction off the rest. The space is tight, and we need to make room for new equipment that will help us stay competitive. I remember when we first brought in these machines, they were state-of-the-art. But technology has moved on, and it's time for us to move with it. We've seen how effective auctions can be, and we want to partner with a team that understands the value of our equipment. We need experts who can showcase our metalworking and toolroom machines to the right buyers. We want to ensure we get the best price possible while making the process smooth and efficient. It's not just about selling. It's about finding the right homes for these machines that have served us well. Let's make this happen. We've been in this factory for decades, and it's time to let go of some of our older machines.